Hello everyone, my name is Ali and today in Foshan, and as you see around me is all the warehouses, the cargoes, and then the place the cars get loaded, the containers get loaded. Today I come here to check my goods and also give you some very important information if you buy goods from China and so on, guys. So the first thing is like my goods is like furniture right now, and a lot of time I buy a lot of furniture, right? And each time I come myself check the furniture, also the packing, or I send someone from my company to come and check. Why we do this? Because a lot of time you talk the factory very nice, you get extra money for nice packing, and still at the end some of them they don't do. So let's go and check out, guys. So over here, as you see, this is all our our goods, right? Some of them are very nice packing, and some of them like check this thing out, guys. This is this is the factory which choose by the customer. I told them that let's don't buy from them, but we still bought, and then the result here, and then the inside also they have a lot of the furniture. If you send like this, at the road is gonna get broke, and then at the end they say, oh, the quality from the China goods is bad and stuff. So we're gonna take this, the one is like this, we're gonna at the end gonna pack like this, and if some of this or if broke, we're gonna like make it nice again, put some extra stuff, and then we're gonna load. So if you buy stuff from China, you make sure you send someone to check your goods and so on. As you see, this one is already is done. See, this thing is already out, and the color is already is like gone. We're checking this out, it's already, guys. So when this goes to the overseas, they say, oh, the Chinese quality is so bad and so on. And inside we have a lot of like this as well, guys. And as you see, this one is such nice packing, right? And very nice, yeah. And also this one, see, very nice packing. But some are really bad, guys. And this is the best one. I know this factory for a while. I worked with them for a very long time, guys. Yes. So now we're gonna take one by one this side. We're gonna check the packing, and if they need to do again renew packing, we're gonna do it again, and then we make sure everything is right. So guys, as you see, guys, we took some of them already out, and then we send it to another place to pack them, and then they're gonna bring it just right now. And here's we have another working who's checking the quality and then doing from the zero. As you see, this one is already ready now, don't have any problem. And then as you see, you have the material here and the packing going on. And then over here there are some is like already not so good, so we're gonna check all of them again. As you see, we're gonna check all of them again, and then at night from 9 we're gonna start to loading the containers till maybe 4 or maybe 1 till 4 a.m. at night, guys. So yeah, that's what we do, guys, over here today. Yeah, this is all our furniture. So this is what we do in China. And yeah, we do also search stuff for you, check the quality, check the packing. If you do furniture, guys, if you're buying the first time or the second time, make sure you send someone to check all the packing, also the quality as well, and then try to load and stuff, guys. So yes, guys, this is me. I've been in China for 10 years. I do this business for a decade, and I know all the stuff, guys. So yeah, if you have any question like how to source from China, how to export, or you want to look for something, and yeah, you can reach out to me. Or you want to buy furniture for a house or for a villa, or you want to do like build a hostel, we can take care of anything, guys, from nothing to the everything. Yeah, guys. So yeah, if you need anything, yeah. So yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and yeah, have a good day. I hope this video was useful, and then yeah.